Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about 10 money rules for financial success. Financial success is often built on a foundation of sound money management principles. Here are 10 essential money rules to help you achieve financial success. Create a budget and stick to it. Establish a detailed budget that outlines your income and expenses. A budget provides clarity about your financial situation and helps you allocate your money wisely. Live within your means. Spend less than you earn. Avoid accumulating debt to maintain a lifestyle beyond your financial capacity. Living within your means is the key to financial stability. Prioritize savings. Make savings a non-negotiable part of your budget. Prioritize saving for emergencies, retirement, and your financial goals. Automate your savings to ensure consistency. Eliminate high-interest debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances. Reducing debt lowers your financial stress and frees up money for saving and investing. Invest for the long term. Develop a well-thought-out investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Investing wisely can help your money grow over time and create passive income. Diversify your investments. Avoid putting all your money into a single investment or asset class. Diversifying your investments across various assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, reduces risk and increases the potential for returns. Build an emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund provides financial security in the face of unexpected events. Seek financial education. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Books, courses, and financial literacy programs can improve your financial knowledge and decision-making. Avoid impulsive spending. Steer clear of impulsive and unnecessary purchases. Think critically about your spending choices and prioritize needs over wants. Set and review financial goals. Define clear financial goals and regularly assess your progress. Goal setting provides motivation and direction, helping you stay on track towards financial success. Remember that achieving financial success is a long-term journey that requires discipline and perseverance. By adhering to these money rules and staying committed to your financial objectives, you can build a strong financial foundation and work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.